4th to 5th floor. 4th to 5th. This is Brooklyn. We need to verify that they have 12 by 24 columns. 24 columns. Here it is. Times 24. Times 12. Perfect. We have the first stirrup at 12 inches. Then we have one stirrup every 12 inches. Perfect. We have 135 degrees close bends for the stirrups. Perfect. We have links, 135 degrees bent, 90 degrees on 135. So these are seismic columns. We have the denomination of the bar is number 7, as you can see here. Perfect. Splice length. What we mean by splice length, we cannot have one straight bar, one continuous bar from the bottom to the top of the building, so they have to splice. So this is allowed. They don't have to weld, but they just have to splice. But the splice length is determined by the diameter of the bar, and it's mandated in the drawings as well. Whatever the engineer record is mandating here, but it cannot be less than, I think it's 39 diameters of the bar. We have as well 12 times 24. As you can see, it's correct. First, stirrup and links at no more than 3 inches from the floor. Every 12 inches. Ties and links number 7. Let's verify the distance from the bar to the formwork. These lines signals the placement of the formwork. We had 2 inches here, and we had no less than 2 inches here. We need coverage with concrete so the bars are protected from rust and the weather. Shear walls, number 5 vertical, number 5 horizontal, 2 layers. This is shear wall number 1. We have shear walls has 2 differentiated zones. We have the edges is called end zones, very appropriately, and the central zone between the edges zone between here and here we have the balance zone. And the distribution of the rebar reinforcement is different. For this case, we have the same bars. Usually they are bigger size, but the engineer here decided to use the same bar number 5. But in this end zone, we have the U bar. This is the U bar. And the links, we have here the links. 1, 2, 3 links. All the way up to the top. Every 12 inches. We have a shear wall 1, 12 inches width. Reinforcement horizontal every 12 inches. Reinforcement horizontal every 12 inches as well. Number 5 bars. And the splice length as well. We have 54 and a half inches splice length. We have here shear wall number, let's see this column. This is exposure 2. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 columns, exposure 2 in this area. And we have on this area, exposure 2, we have 1, 2, 3 more columns. We have 6 columns in exposure 2. All of those columns are 12 times 24 with 6 number 7s vertical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Bars number 7, 8, 7/8 of an inch, and ties and links number 4. We can see here number 4 every 12 inches. Right. First stirrup usually comes no more than 3 inches from the ground. Here it is. Splice length 55 inches, 58 inches. Jigboard number 1, 12 inches. We already saw that. And some number 2 for jigboard number 1. It's the same bars by 8. Grade 60, that means 60,000 pounds a square inch. Tensile strength. We have 1, 2, 3 links. 135 degrees one side, 90 degrees the other side, and a U-bar here. You can see the U-bar here. It comes all around the edges to protect the corner of the wall. We have here jigboard number 4, 8 inches, one layer number 5, one layer number 5, every 12 inches, vertical and horizontal, number 5, one layer, splice length, jigboard number 4, 55 inches, 56 inches. Let's complete with the columns in exposure 2, I'm sorry. 12 times 50, 24, 12 times 24, 7 number 7, vertical bars, and ties and links number 4. Tie stirrups, links number 4, all the way to the top. Here we see here the same configuration for the columns in exposure 2. 12 times 24, 7 bars number 7, vertical. In columns, the vertical reinforcement is the main reinforcement. Exposure 3 columns, we have 1, 2, and 3. (12 times 24). Clearance to the forward 2 inches in both directions to protect the bar from roughs and the weather. This column exposure 4 rebars number 7 vertical. Sorry, 6 number 7 verticals. Exposure 4, 6 number 7 vertical. Yeah, you can see it. Ties and links number 4. Jigboard number 4. Jigboard number 2.